Ngayong gabi, live on stage ang Urban Dub dito sa poblasyon Makati City. Premium big bikes everywhere. Street food sa bawat kanto. Tara samahan nyo ako mag-enjoy. Pumudrip with different cuisines at makinig sa musikang Pinoy. Ako nga pala si Papa Vlog at kung hindi ka pa nakasubscribe, i-click mo na yan para updated ka sa mga videos ko. Alright guys, nandito na tayo sa may Makati Hub. Park muna tayo dito. Ito yung event dito sa Makati Hub ngayong gabi.
Better watch yourself. I ain't got a wall for this. The wheels that I'm in, try to stand up
Ayos, nice.
White guy with the rides.
Wow, alright. Ang gaganda ng mga
What
motor
up,
dito,
Boba
guys.
Short? I need all your. Hey.
Good days mga papa. Kasama natin yung Club Makina Philippines. Sir, kailan ba at saka paano nag-start yung Club Makina Philippines?
So, Club Makina started as a writing group within Enderun colleges. It started with Lawrence, Jay, and Josh. And then from there, they started working. I happened to start working with Josh, and we gathered a whole bunch of riding friends, and then we went on a ride, and we called it Club Makina. We were still young, we didn't really know what we were doing, but then from the get-go, Josh and Jay already have
Vision.
a vision, and they've also been exposed to the MC community, and they wanted to create their own, and so we studied it, and one day we just decided, okay, let's do it.
So sir, second question, what's the mission and vision of Club Makina Philippines?
So our mantra within the group is family, work, and then the club.
So meron pala siyang pagkakasunod-sunod, no?
Yes. So club comes third. So yung family can be your closest friends, the people who you treat as family, and then syempre yung livelihood. You cannot ride without, di ba?
Yes.
Kung wala tayong kinikita. So yun. And then the club. So, but with us in the club, we treat each other as brothers, and by extension, yung mga personal family din namin.
So as of now, mga ilan na sir yung head count nyo?
Enough.
Enough. Duda ko sobrang dami na niyan. Ano bang requirements sir para makasali sa Club Makina Philippines?
So, basic is, syempre, for us kasi we ride mostly highways. No? So, highway legal na motor, number one. Number two is actually sarili mo lang. And then, we go from there. Kasi yung motor, tawag dito, maraming tao na pwedeng meron, diba?
Yes,
Yung
yes.
highway legal na motor. So sa amin, syempre, at the end of the day is judge din namin kung fit ba sa culture namin, yung personality mo, and vice versa din naman yun. Minsan baka hindi kami yung fit sa kanila.
Nice.
Minsan kasi baka misconception, yabang naman nila kasi kailangan pa nila yung skin. Hindi, malay mo, kami yung hindi pala fit sa'yo, di ba? O yung trip namin yung hindi fit sa'yo. So,
Alright,
yun.
Sir Lawrence, napakaganda. Napakaganda ng mission vision. Nice meeting you, sir. Sir, thank you so much.
Enjoy.
Yes, sir. Thank you po. Right, Mediterranean food. Hi.
Mahal kita. Try the hummus and baklava, it's really good. The hummus is with avocado, it's really good.
What's the name, sir?
Meze. You have the mixed salad inside with the special sauce, and then we'll add the garlic sauce. You like it spicy?
Yeah.
We'll add you also some.
But not too spicy, okay?
Sure, I'll make it mine.
Chicken and beef.
Enjoy.
Tayo.
Ano, masarap?
Masarap.
Masarap. Thank you.
Alright. By the way guys, they also have Instagram. You can follow them and check their food. Meze Mediterranean. Soon they will be opening their new store here.
Here in Poblacion, beside Octopus. Food is ready.
Alright, thank you sir. Thank you. Ito yung pagkain natin guys. Ito yung binigay sa atin ni sir. Yan. Oo nga pala. Ang in-order natin ay mixed beef and lamb kofta. 1, 2, 3. Wait.
Some extra sauce.
I thought it's good to go.
Garlic cheese sauce.
Garlic cheese sauce. Wow. 3, 2, 1, go.
Bye guys.
I like the taste of the beef. So, you will... Ba't ba ako nag-English? I like the taste of the beef. Napakalambot niya, guys. And also yung ano niya, yung lasa, nandoon yung mga herbs and spices. Alam mo talaga na ano to, Mediterranean food. 10 out of 10 for me, guys. Napasarap. Masarap. What do you call this one? Pita?
Pita.
The pita bread, guys. Napaka what do you call this? Lambot. Napakalambot kasi yung mga na-try ko before matigas. But this one, crispy on the outside, but as you can see, malambot siya.
Rice shawarma. It's chicken shawarma and rice and garlic
Oh,
sauce.
that's famous.
Yes.
I
It's
saw
so
it.
easy to eat. You put the sauce and then just like
Push mo
this.
lang.
Are you sure?
Of course. Go ahead. And garlic sauce. I know, good?
Right, guys. Try natin tong ano nila, beef samosa. Try na tayo ng samosa before, pero try natin to, guys. Ang sarap. Ang sarap.
Tama rin po.
Tama rin.
Tomato, then chili po.
Try natin to, guys.
Pero, saan kayo nakapag? Doon po sa may harapan po.
Guys, ang sarap. Try nyo itong beef samosa nila. Ang sarap. Panalo? Tama rin, tsaka to, chili. Tsaka to. Right? Ang mga pagkain din, guys. Hi! Alright guys, nandito tayo sa Vitos, tong suka. Try natin. Alright, let's go. Let's go guys, let's go. Ang lambot. Napaka-flavorful ng chicken. Para tong ano eh, yung gustong-gusto mong kainin tuwing gabi pag yung mabilisan lang na gusto mong kumain. Panalo to, try nyo to. Vitos Barbecue. Guys, hi! Welcome to your vlog. Dito tayo sa Giant, guys. Sama natin. High five! Woo! Ayos! Giant! Nice na. Thank you. Lakad muna tayo, masyado maingay, di ko kaya. Matanda na siguro ako. Parang tumatanda na tayo. Mamaya, guys, andito pala yung ano, Urban Dub, tsaka River Maya. Punta tayo mamaya pag magpa-play na yung banda. May mga pagkain din dito, guys, eh. Corona. So guys, andito yung Urban Dub, guys. Napaka-solid. Tapos napaka-konti lang na nanonood.
This is Lalay Lim Geronimo on the bass. My brother John Dinopol on the guitar.
Alright guys, dito ulit tayo. Natin nakain. Thank you brother, thank you brother. Dami na natin nakain. Guys, ang dami na natin kinain. Tsaka, kailangan muna natin ng panulak. Right, let's go. 1, 2, 3. Ang pabusog. Let's go.
Tanggalin ko.
Pwede ba magpalista? Alright guys, dito ko natatapusin yung vlog natin ngayong gabi. Nakakain tayo ng masarap na pagkain, uminom tayo ng masarap na inumin, and also nakita natin yung mga kasama natin dito sa riding community. Nakita din tayo ng mga kakaiba at mga vintage sa motor. Kung nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to, pa-like and subscribe naman dyan. At laging tandaan, basta kwentuhan kahit ano, kay Papa Vlog yan. Follow for more!